Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit raw photos in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to edit raw photos in it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon and locate the raw photo in your gallery. You can download any raw photo for free from different websites. I have this raw photo here. Now as you can see, the app says raw photo editing is now available. Simply click on next. Now develop tool starts automatically when we add a raw photo. Simply click on done. Now we can tweak these settings like exposure, highlight, shadows, contrast, structure and many more. Now I'm gonna edit it. Once you're happy, click here to save changes, and you don't have to stop here. We can do more by clicking on tools again and simply click on selective, and now choose the color that you want to edit from here, like this soft yellow. Click on it, and now once you're happy, click here to save changes. And just like this, we can edit raw photos in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.